In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text question in Paperform. If you're building a form and want to include a simple written response field, this is a quick and useful thing to know. A text question is perfect when you want short answers, while a long text field works better for detailed responses. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to insert one and customize the prompt so it's ready for people to fill out. Start by going to your Paperform editor page in Chrome. Once you're in the editor, click on any empty area of the page. This helps make sure nothing else is actively selected, so you can clearly add a new question in the right place without editing an existing block by mistake. Next, look to the left line margin and find the Add Question plus icon. Click that icon to begin inserting a new field into your form. This is the starting point for adding different kinds of questions, so once you click it, you'll be able to choose the type of response you want people to enter. After that, open the default field type selection drop-down list. This menu lets you choose what kind of question you're adding, and it's where you'll switch from the default option to the one that best fits your form. From the drop-down, select text if you want a brief, one-line answer. This is a good option for things like short labels, names, or other concise responses. If you want users to enter a longer, more detailed answer, choose long text instead. That will create a larger paragraph-style text box, which is better for explanations, comments, or anything that requires more space. Choosing the right field type makes your form easier to complete and helps guide people toward the kind of response you want. Once you've selected the field type, type your prompt title placeholder directly into the main field text area. This is the text your audience will see, so make sure it clearly explains what they should enter. Keep your wording simple and specific so there's no confusion. And that's it. You've added a text-based question to your paper form and set the prompt so it's ready to use. If you're adding multiple questions, repeat the same process for each one and choose the field type based on how much information you want people to provide.